and welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to be showing you how to make herbs, chicken and potatoes in the oven. This chicken and potatoes is in the oven. It's not the first time I've tried it before and it was so delicious. So as I'm making it today for the family for the weekend, I decided to make a video of it to show you guys how to make it. It's delicious and I hope you give it a try. Thank you all for watching and let's get to the cooking. So guys, like I always do, check the description box for all the recipe that I'm going to be using for this chicken recipe. Okay, so just make sure you check it out, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've already cleaned the chicken. So if you are using frozen one, make sure you defrost the chicken first. Okay, so now after adding the chicken into this bowl, I'm going to grate some lemon zest. I'm going to be using a whole lemon zest to do this. So go ahead and grate it, or you can grate it before adding it to the chicken. After then, I'm going to go ahead to add my fresh thyme. If you don't have fresh thyme, go ahead and use dry thyme. They are all the same. I've used dry one before and they taste amazing as well. So after adding that, I'm going to add my fresh rosemary. Use dry rosemary if you don't have fresh one, and that is the diced garlic I added. I'm going to add some parsley leaf inside with a little bit of basil leaf. So but if you don't have, like I always say, fresh one, use dry one. Now I'm adding a little bit of dry ginger, black pepper, and I'm going to also be adding some salt to taste inside. So after adding that, I'm going to add the sinapé, which is mustard. I'm using 3 teaspoons of that. Okay, so go ahead and use, you can use sweet one, you can use the normal classic one, depends on the one you want. So after adding the mustard, I'm going to add the lemon juice. I'm using a whole lemon to do this, like 1 full lemon to do. You can use half lemon to marinate it, but I'm using 1 lemon. So after adding the lemon, I'm also going to be adding paprika later. So here I added extra virgin of olive oil into the chicken, but you can use butter if you want it to be extra, to have more taste. You can use butter, but I prefer to use oil instead of butter. So I'm going to use my hand now to mix everything up. I go ahead and mix it until they are all combined. As you can see here, I'm adding about a teaspoon of paprika, or half a teaspoon of paprika. So now I'm going to gently massage them until they are well combined. Then after doing this, I'm going to cover them with cling film and allow them to stay in the freezer, in the fridge for about 2 hours. Yes, you need to allow them to marinate for 2 hours, guys. So I'm going to allow it to marinate for 2 hours now. Then I'm going to start for the other one. So it's almost 2 hours, and here is the potatoes I'm using. So use any potato of your choice, guys. So I've washed the potato. I've washed it very well. So make sure you wash your potatoes, okay? After adding the potato into the casserole, I've already preheated my oven. I'm going to add some salt and some extra virgin of olive oil. Mix them all up together, and I also added a little bit of dry rosemary into the potato, and to mix them all up. So after mixing them, go ahead and add the chicken there. So just make a space and add the chicken into the potatoes, just like what I'm doing here. And after adding the chicken, the remaining of the sauce you used to marinate the chicken, go ahead and add it into the casserole as well. They are not meant to be thrown away. So after adding that, I'm going to add my fresh chopped onion. So go ahead and add the onion into the chicken. Make sure you don't skip this onion part. So I'm going to go ahead now to add all the onion inside the chicken. And that is the end. So I'm going to allow them to cook in the oven for at least 15 minutes, or until you know that the chicken is cooked and crispy. Okay, and after 20 minutes I'm going to be removing them from the oven, and I add the lemon. Like I slice another lemon and I'm adding them after 20 minutes. So after adding the lemon into the chicken, I'm going to turn the chicken over and send them back to the oven and allow them to continue cooking for another 30 minutes or thereabouts, or until the chicken is well cooked. So that is what I'm going to be doing here, guys. So yeah, just make sure that your chicken is well cooked and the potato is cooked. So this is the final result. The color is wow, and the taste is so amazing, guys. The taste is so amazing. Look at that color, look at that. So I enjoy making this chicken, and I love making it, and especially when I'm having friends around, or when I just want us to have something completely different. I make this chicken and we all love it. This chicken and potato is so delicious. You should give it a try, guys. Give it a try. You will not regret of trying it at all. You won't regret it. You will enjoy it, and if you have a guest, your guest will enjoy it. So here I'm dishing out some, and the real part is make sure you use the sauce. The sauce is another key ingredient to this. I'm sprinkling the sauce from the chicken over it, and that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Yes, I had that all by myself. See you. Bye.